My name is Kourtleen, and in today's video we're going to be doing a review slash unboxing on glasses. Yes, I said glasses. So this company reached out to me and wanted me to do a review on a few of their frames. I'm so excited to work with them. This will be my first collaboration with a company that offers frames. And yes, I do wear glasses and contacts, so this was a perfect opportunity for me to work with them. So before we jump right into today's video, if you are new to the channel, this is your first video, and you did find it interesting, please consider subscribing and becoming part of the SimplyK family. Like this video, share it with your family and friends, and as always, click on that big thumbs up button. Just let me know if these are the type of videos you guys like. I appreciate everyone's support, and yeah, thank you again. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So guys, I wanted to tell you a little bit about Fytoo Eyewear. They are an online store mainly selling prescription or fashionable eyeglasses through an independent website. As you guys see here, they do have so many deals and discounts going on for the holiday season. Of course, I do have a coupon code for you guys to help you save some coins. And yeah, I absolutely love this website. It was super easy to look for what I was interested in. You can send them your prescription, as I mentioned or will mention further on in the video. There's so many different styles to choose from. As you can see, you can try it before you buy it. You can simply upload a picture of your face and you'll be able to try different frames before you buy it. As you guys can see, you do receive some goodies in your package as well. Let me know your thoughts on the glasses or frames I was able to pick up, and if you guys will be interested in grabbing you a pair as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So this is the company here, Fytoo. The little boxes that the glasses came in. Oh, off the bat, I've already opened this, guys, because I was excited. But off the bat, like, presentation, like, oh my gosh, they came in these little pouches or storage case. I really love this. I really do. So I have gotten 6 pairs. Or I'm sorry, 5 pairs. So thumbnail. But I've gotten 5 pairs, and love the presentation. I also received a $10 off coupon code for glasses cleaner, which I'm definitely going to be using, and a little pamphlet that came with it, and some Better Glasses Cleaner World. Guys, I wanted to add the website details alongside my coupon code will be in the description box below. And also these glasses all add names, of which I will be putting up on the screen for you all. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's actually a keyring or a little token. Oh, this is cute, guys. This is super cute. Let's see. Oh, yes, for sure. Love this. Thank you. All right, so let's jump right into these frames. As I mentioned, I got 5 pairs. Let me start with the first one. Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to start with this pair right here. Let me take them out. Once again, very cute presentation. This bag also have a little glasses cleaner wipe thing, lint remover thing. So So this is how it's looking. And there is like a little sticky plastic over it that I'm removing. Guys, look at these frames. Oh my gosh. Aren't these phenomenal? Like, come on now. As I mentioned, these are my prescription. So I sent them my prescription, and yeah, look at the details. Oh my gosh. Love this. Absolutely love this. Let's go ahead and try it on. I look cute if I don't say so myself. And they actually do match my rose gold watch. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at these. I'm obsessed. And whew, love it. Absolutely love this color. Just bringing it a little closer for you guys to see. Moving on. So these were a little simpler. I actually grabbed these for my husband. So I got 3 pairs and he has 2. And guys, I will share some details about the website. A clip or 2 about the website. You can actually basically try them on before you actually make your selection or your decision. So these are this pair. Very simple. Still really cute. Try these. What y'all think? I like them. I really do. All right, moving on. So let's see. So these were another simple pair as well. Also grabbed these for my husband. Still cute. Giving it a little Clark Kent moment. Guys, gorgeous. Moving on, so I have 2 more pairs to show you guys. I grabbed another color of the pink one that I got, but let me try these first. Oh, I love these. Love these. What do you guys think? Leave me your thoughts in the comment section. Which one or ones did you like the best? So these are some ombre ones. It's black on the top and goes clear on the bottom. Yeah, love these. Reason why I can wear my lashes and there's no hindrance with me wearing lashes, and the frames are really big, so all right. Last but not least, I had to grab me another pair of these in a different color. Here we go. Let me take it out. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys. I love gold. So I really had to grab me these pairs. Like, come on now. Love the detail. All right, let's try them on. Okay now. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. Love this. So I want to thank Fytoo for sending me these beautiful, beautiful frames. I really love them all. And guys, just let me know your thoughts on each of the different frames that I picked up. I know 2 of them was a little bit simple, but as I mentioned, they are for my husband, and they do offer prescription if you do want to go ahead and send them your prescription for whatever frames you desire. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you guys have made it to this far of the video, as far as the end, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and become part of the Simply K family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to me, so I thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I will catch you in my next one. Oh guys, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so that you guys always are notified whenever a new video hits my channel. Once again, thank you all for the love and support. I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.